I'm Malcolm Brady. Well, I've started here at Burrawang in 17. Prior to that, I had our own livestock agency business in Swan Hill, Mildura and Broken Hill, and had 30 years of that, and were lucky enough to sell out of that. When I first came, we were using a catch and grab and weigh, which was slow and needed a lot of staff. So we looked into it. Being an ex-agent, wanted to make sure we could do Auctions Plus, wanted to be able to see the sheep in the crate and wanted to be able to see whether it was fat or whatever. So also the quietness of them was a big part of what we really liked. I don't think I've had quite a weigh machine, and being an agent I've seen lots of them, and that really ticked that box. The efficiency of it all, I could send one staff member down to weigh 500 lambs in probably an hour and a half, if that. They flow through quickly, it's very good, and all done 3 ways without a worry. And the best thing of all, the most important thing of all, they want to run through it. It doesn't matter whether they're commercial sheep or stud sheep. It didn't matter whether they first time through it or not ever before, they do run through very well. The fact that we could get a 5-way draft also was a big thing for the stud side of it. And just commercially, yeah, being able to do the numbers and do it easy. It's all electronic and reads it and all good. And anyone can do it, even I can do it. And I'm not electronically savvy, so if I can use it, anyone can. And I must say the service has been amazing. It's been really, really good. And it's no stress on the animals. They just go through, happy to take their turn. But that flow and the quietness and the sheep want to do it is huge. I've recommended the Te Pari to other station owners which have since bought them, and I haven't heard an issue back, so sort of friends and ex-clients, so they definitely tell me one way or the other. So no, definitely recommend. It's a good product.